Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to take a quick look at the crypto markets, see if we got anything interesting going on. First thing I'd like to take a look at, today's March 11th. It's Friday. It's about 10, it's a little bit after 10 o'clock p.m. East Coast time. And one of the first things I like to look at is Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And right now it is at 22, which is extreme fear. Yesterday was 22. Last week was also 22, which is extreme fear. And last month is 50, which is neutral. So, pretty fearful in the market. There's another thing I just checked out for the first time today. It's called the Bitcoin Rainbow Price Chart. And this is a logarithmic chart, and this shows all the way from January of 2012 until even the future. It's a logarithmic chart. So if you scroll down here, this shows you what a period of time would be. You know what? Let's go show you logarithmic real quick. So this is Bitcoin's price on CoinMarketCap. This is for you just click all and it shows it all, but this is just in the straight price. So each line right here goes up by $10,000. So down here it's super low forever, then it spikes up, drops down, then there's a huge spike, right? If you go to logarithmic, each line goes up by, or doubles. Is it double or it goes up by 10, something like that? So it makes more sense because it's an exponentially growing asset is what it is. So if we go back to the rainbow chart, it shows how far out of a trend or what side of the trend line you're on. Honestly, it's just something. We'll read it at the bottom. The rainbow chart is not investment advice. Past performance is not an indication of future results, and the rainbow chart is meant to be a fun way of looking at long-term price movements. So that's it kind of breaks it down. Pretty cool though, but if it's in the red, it's maximum bubble territory. Orange, sell. Seriously, sell. Or the other orange, light orange, FOMO intensifies. Yellow, is this a bubble? Question mark. Light yellow, hodl. Green, still cheap. Dark green, accumulate. Light blue, buy. And down here, basically a fire sale. But if you look at it, I mean, look, Bitcoin's been following this upward trend line. 2022 right now. If we talk about the beginning of I guess the range could go from 38,000 to 500,000, so it doesn't really predict anything, but it shows a trend. It's just something interesting to look at. So if we go to crypto market cap and check out the magic internet money, the total crypto market cap is 1,751 billion. Bitcoin dominance is 42.5%. Ethereum dominance is 17.7%. Wow, Ethereum gas fees right now 18 GUI. That is pretty low. Total global crypto market cap went up by 1.9% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin price $39,190. It's up 2% on the day. About even on the week. Ethereum is at $2,587, up 2% on the day, down 1% on the week. Pretty much everything in the top 10 is up except for Terra Luna is down 6%. Still up 13% on the week. Dogecoin's at 11.7 cents. Number 13 coin. Shiba Inu's number 15 token. It's 402269. Up almost 3% on the day and down 4 on the week. Algorand, number 29 coin. It's 71.07 cents. It's even on the day, down 5.5 on the week. If we scroll down, most of the coins and tokens are up for the day. Even on the week, it seems. Mixed colors. Saitama token price is at 701315. It is up 11% on the day. Apparently, they sponsored a UFC fight.
Thursday, cage side will be Hector Gomez, Eliseo Rodriguez, and Lorenzo Toledo.
Take a look, a bit of a reach advantage for Wallow. We'll see if it makes a difference in the matchup.
In Miami, Florida, it is prelim action here for Eagle FC 46, all or nothing.
Fight went on tonight. I think they're going to have the Saitama logo in the center of the ring. I guess for every fight this season. I'm not 100% sure. Either way, the price went up, which is good to see that they actually came through with something finally that looks positive. So that's Saitama. Archangel token price is at 901599. Still trading in this channel here. Maybe we could draw another trend line. Let me do that. All right, I drew another trend line. I took out some of the moving averages and the RSI I took out because it just was blank. Because there's not enough information apparently. But so we scroll out a little bit. This is the bottom. This is a higher bottom. and we're making higher bottoms, okay? But this is, over a week. This is the 24th of February, so this is super short term, right? 4-hour chart. Either way, this might become a trend. Higher bottoms, higher highs, not really, but we're in a channel. Let me make a downward channel. All right, cool. Here's another downward trending line from way back, and it's funny how it touches all these spots. This is from January 19th. High in the a spike in the price, and then here's again on February 15th. It hits that spike. Then again, it hits this area on March 2nd. Looks like we crossed it. 3 days ago? 2 days ago on March 9th? 2 days ago. Man, we might end up crossing that trend line. Otherwise, we'll keep going down. You know, we got 2 downward trending lines. We've got an upward trending line now from these low spots, and I could expect it, honestly, to cross this line, bounce off this line, and hit the lower bottom line. Not go all the way down to the bottom, but hit the lower upward trending line. But, man, I'm just a random guy. You know, I'm not a technical analysis guy, so take it for what it's worth. But it's funny how you draw this line. Like I clicked it here, and I extended it past this one, and it connected there perfectly. So that's amazing. Touched it 3 times. I've also heard if it touches it 3 times and gets rejected, that's not a good thing. So either way, it's a lot of information out there. All right, so if we look at the wallet holder count, we're up 1 wallet holder on Ethereum and 1 wallet holder on Binance Smart Chain. Even on Phantom, man, we're not picking up too much action on wallet holders. Too bad. We're still up by 2. We're at 4,984 wallets. We only need 15 to break 5,000. That would be amazing if we could do it by tomorrow, but there's no telling, right? Tomorrow's Saturday, Arca Cafe Sunday, so by Sunday would be good. So we gained 2 wallet holders today. Price is 15, actually 99. We're down 4% on the day. We're down almost 10% on the week. Total market cap 8,250,000. Fully diluted market cap 15,930,000. Daily volume, anyway, it's 15,330 is what I had when I wrote it down an hour ago. Daily burn, almost 2 trillion. 2 trillion tokens sent to the burn wallet, which is nice. 7-day average is 3 trillion. So that's ticking off nicely. So if we look at our wallet, that we started with 1 trillion tokens. The reflections rewards today for that wallet were 19,747,000 tokens. Not groundbreaking, but I mean, that just keeps ticking up too. So the daily increase to the staking rewards pool increased 116.5 million today. So that brings the total reflections and rewards to 7 million. Nope. Let me do that. Yesterday I said it totally wrong. It's 7,180,000,000, which is a lot. And that's 0.7% of my initial purchase, which was 74 days ago. We've been in the staking pool for 47 days, and we're almost at 5 billion tokens earned on the stake. Man, that's cool. Oh, one other thing I'm tracking is gas prices. Today's $3.99. Imagine that. We went down 7 cents, which is 1.75% on the day for gas. Whoa, still $4. That's pricey. Yeah, look, back on the Archangel chart. I know there's crazy lines all over this chart. Here, let me make this easier to see. Okay, like I know there's lines everywhere, but here was a low. Here was another low it bounced off of. I drew the line. The price crossed past the low on February 23rd, came back above it. It rejected it again here on February 28th. Then it got rejected on this, became a support. And then the resistance became support. And then there was other resistance up here, got rejected all the way past the other support. The support then became resistance again. So it's funny how it actually follows that line, right? Could probably, well, I'm not going to move that one. And it tried to pass it again, but couldn't. So that seems to be a strong line of, I guess, is resistance now. And this could be support because it's hit it twice. Boom, boom. Anyway, we'll have to see in the next couple of days. Because if these 2 lines, they come together, obviously some sort of a flag shape or descending wedge, whatever. And we had descending wedge here. It busted below it, tried to regain inside that red wedge, then busted below it again, tried to pass it again, couldn't do it. Hold on. Yeah, I guess we're still inside of this wedge technically. If I redraw it so it actually touches it. Still inside of that wedge. Another wedge is forming. Oh, we got the triple descending wedge. What's that mean? There's got to be, call it something cool. I don't know. If it breaks out and goes to the moon, we'll have to call it the Arca wedge, but no idea. I just like looking at that stuff. I find it funny how it definitely follows the trend lines. Interesting. All right, here's some news. We're on CoinGecko, and this is from Forbes. A legendary investor just predicted the end of the US dollar and warned over the future of Bitcoin amid extreme crypto price swings. Now the co-founder of Quantum Fund and Soros Fund Management, can I say the word Soros? Oh man, I'm totally getting banned off of YouTube. Jim Rogers has warned that what is happening with the US dollar now is the end of the US dollar, but cautioning governments likely won't allow Bitcoin to be used as an alternative. Interesting, says an international currency is supposed to be neutral, but in Washington, they are now changing the rules, Rogers told India's Economic Times in a wide-ranging interview. Now, if Washington doesn't like you, they put sanctions on you and you cannot use dollars. Okay, yeah, well, that's not new. Don't you think they're going to sanction your Bitcoin too? I mean, I don't know. Or your CBDC. I don't know. Maybe not your Bitcoin. I don't know. U.S. Treasury launching cryptocurrency awareness program. This is from Bitcoin.com. Let's read more. The U.S. Department of Treasury is launching a cryptocurrency awareness program. We're just trying to raise awareness without trying to stamp out new technology and new innovations, says an official of the Treasury. That is good. Here we go. The Treasury's education unit comprises 20 different government agencies, including the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. What does that do? Oh, man. I'm sorry. The Federal Reserve and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. 20 different government agencies? Dang, that's a lot. Okay, the government aims to inform public of how crypto assets work and how they are different from other forms of payment. The Treasury's outreach will focus on investors with limited access to mainstream financial services, Liang detailed. Well, that's positive. Honestly, that's bullish. I like that. You know, what's it say? We're just trying to raise awareness without trying to stamp out new technologies and new innovations. Yeah, that's positive. Uh-oh, but here's another one. Biden's Labor Department has big worries about crypto and 401ks. We got to read more. That was in yesterday's news, too. This is from Forbes, and this is from Eric Sherman. Yeah, we pretty much read that, but the breakdown of this is U.S. Department of Labor came out this week with an unusually strong warning about cryptocurrencies pushing their way into 401k retirement accounts. Over the last few months, some financial institutions have started marketing crypto investments as potential options in these highly regulated accounts, and that's a problem according to the DOL. What's next? Let's look. Oh, here's one. Bored Ape Yacht Club's Yuga Labs has acquired CryptoPunks. Dang, I wonder how much they paid for that. We got to read more. We think they'll tell us. Yuga Labs has bought the intellectual property rights of CryptoPunks and MeBits from Larva Labs. Interesting, man. Larva Labs got paid then, huh? No, it doesn't say anything in this article how much they paid for it, but, you know, I just skimmed it, and I do have a problem reading, writing, and understanding the English language sometimes, so I may be wrong on that one. I totally forgot to say that XRP went up 11.5% today, 14% on the week. It's up it's at 82.4 cents. It's the number 6 coin. Anyway, there's an article here. It's kind of long and in depth and a lot of legal stuff and nothing super concrete, but it says today's order makes it clear that the serious questions whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distributions of XRP since 2013 would ever be prohibited under the securities laws. Interesting. Good to see the judge rejecting the SEC's attempt to prevent Ripple from pursuing its fair notice defense. It's even more imperative that the sun sets on the SEC's regulation by enforcement approach. Yeah, I like that idea too. Let me read that again so it's clear to myself. Today's order makes it clear there's a serious question whether the SEC ever provided Ripple with fair notice that its distribution of XRP would ever be prohibited under the securities law. So they went to the SEC and they said, hey, is this cool? And the SEC was like, oh man, we don't even know anything. No, we're not going to help you. Or yeah, dude, that's cool. And then they do it and then they take them to court. No, that ain't right either. we'll see what happens. We definitely need regulatory clarity again. All right, Guardian presale round 1. Presale starts March 20th, goes for 5 days, ends on March 24th. And presale round 2 starts March 25th and goes for 5 days. Oh, here's the little line right here. The launch, 2 weeks after Scratch Engine token launches. Scratch Engine token is going to launch by the end of the month. So that means Guardian will be launching before April 15th. That's tax day, yeah? Let's not pick that day. So we go to our official Archangel announcement page on Telegram. Trivia challenge is tomorrow, Saturday, March 12th at 11 p.m. East Coast time. All ARCA Telegram members are welcome. Just go to the Telegram, where it's on ARCA's main Telegram. Cool. Question, all topics, socials, and research methods. Points, 30 questions, 1 point awarded to the first correct answer. Number must be exact. Words must be close enough to recognize the correct answer. Okay, first place gets ARCA first minted 3D NFT 1 of 1. That's pretty cool. Second place gets ARCA's second minted 3D NFT. Sweet, 1 of 1. Third place, Guardian's 5th minted NFT, which is 1 of 2. Fourth place, Arca's 7th minted NFT, 1 of 1, Garden of Mars. Oh, there's pictures on there too. These are, oh dude, those are legit. Damn. Fifth place, 0.2 ETH. Man, what time? It's at 11 o'clock tomorrow, Saturday. I need to make myself available for that. Joe posted some more information about the Guardian presale round 1 announcement. All the same information. The only things I think that changed a little bit is they're allowing for 5 days for round 1 and 5 days for round 2. The token amount is the same. Total token supply, 100 trillion tokens. Total amount of tokens available for round 1 is 5 trillion. If it doesn't sell out within 5 days, those extra tokens are going to get rolled over into round 2. The maximum you could purchase on round 1 is $5,000, and the minimum you could purchase is $250. On round 2, the minimum you can donate is $250. When I say donate, I mean buy, but it's pre-sale, it's legal stuff. So you're going to donate the USDC, and then they're going to airdrop you the tokens right before token launch. So there's going to be a period of time they're going to have your money, and you're not going to have your tokens, and it might be a few weeks. And that's just the way it is on pre-sales, right? Anyway, the maximum you're allowed to buy in round 2 is $1,000. Though the maximum USDC donation is $1,000, but the max may increase pending on round 1 results. So you may be allowed to use more than $1,000 to get into round 2. So that's pretty cool. I don't have all kinds of cash, and I can't max out on this at all, but I'm going to get in on a little bit. So airdrop some tokens. I like the Guardian project. It seems legit. So just remember, March 20th, 3 p.m. East Coast time starts. You got 5 days. And if it sells out before you get in, then that's too bad. But it'll be good for the project. That means tons of money's coming in there. Hopefully it will. Looks like a positive. Yeah, I almost missed the Guardian update. So of the pre-sale and the token launch and all that stuff. Oh, is there an update on Scratch? Let's find out. No, the update on Scratch was from the voice chat the other day, and they said they are launching their tokens and within 10 days to... Anyway, but between the 10th of March and the 31st of March. So that is cool. So today's the 11th, and could launch at any moment. And then you got to be on the Telegram channel of Scratch Engine, and you'll get an update. They'll say, hey, add this token contract address to your wallet, and that will show you that the tokens are in your wallet, so you can see them. And then they're going to launch probably within the day. They'll do the token launch, then they're going to do a mad advertising dash. I don't know. They might try to plan it. I don't know. Who knows? But I don't think it's going to be this week. That's just me. Thanks for tuning into Blue Collar Crypto. If you could give me a thumbs up, and if you like the channel, hit the subscribe. It just helps get the word out on the street. So just totally appreciate it, and thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys next time.
Good day, sir.